1. Go to Google and search Adobe Firefly. 2. Click on Get Firefly Free. 3. Log in or sign up with your email ID. 3. Write your prompt with keywords here. 4. And see the magic. Adobe Firefly show us 4 options for each prompts that we type. Click here to download your favorite image. You can go to Homepage and change your prompt to find new images. Thank you so much to watch this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel to get more updates like this.